In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see conversations history in Yahoo Mail. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can quickly find past messages in any thread. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner for the sign-in option and click it. If you already have a Yahoo Mail account, choose to sign into your existing account. Enter your Yahoo email address and your password. Depending on your security settings, you may be prompted to complete verification, so simply follow the on-screen instructions. It may take a moment, so wait while Yahoo signs you in. Once you're signed in and back on the Yahoo page, go to the upper right corner and click Mail. If you see Mail more than once in the menu, click it again to open your inbox. You should now be inside Yahoo Mail, where you can access all your folders and messages. To see a conversation's history, start with the search bar at the top of the mailbox. Click inside the search field to activate it. Now think about what you want to find. You can search by a person's name, their email address, or a keyword from the subject or body of the conversation. Type the name or email you're looking for. As you type, Yahoo may suggest contacts or recent searches. You can click a suggestion or press enter to view full results. Your results will appear as a list of messages, often grouped by conversation, so you can see replies and forwards together. Look through the results and click the message or thread that matches what you need. This opens the conversation view, where you can scroll to see earlier replies and the entire back and forth history. If the thread is long, give it a moment to load all parts of the conversation. A few quick tips to make this easier. Try a specific keyword from the subject line if you remember it, or the sender's exact email address for more precise results. If you see multiple similar threads, check the dates and subjects to pick the right one. And if your mailbox layout looks a little different, don't worry. The search bar works the same way and will still bring up the conversation you need. That's it. You opened Yahoo, signed in, went to mail, clicked the search bar, typed the name or email, and then opened the result to view the full conversation history. Thanks for watching and happy searching.